Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're out driving our 55 Buick Special, one owner car from up here in northern South Dakota. Currently speedometer does not work, so we need to get that looked in, and also I believe the blinkers need to be looked at. So, goes down the road really nice there. I'm not even touching the steering wheel, so good driving car. No major vibrations or anything. These are good cruisers, you know, got a little bit of wind noise, but it's also a 70-year-old car. Gauges, you can see the temperature gauge coming up, got good oil pressure. Fuel gauge is between 3/4 and full, so I would assume that's working. Radio does not work. Heater fan does work. So if you're looking for a nice nostalgic car, these are good drivers. This is a nice car. The interior's in nice shape, paint's in nice shape. We resealed the tranny. We'll get these couple other little things looked at, and if you got any questions, you can give me a call at 605-695-7391. I'll show you the brakes here. Brakes stop good. They don't seem to pull or anything. Now they stop good for an old manual brake. So any questions, give me a call.